Welcome to the Habits Kitchen, where I experiment with different ingredients and explore different foods. Hi, I'm Dr. Chan, the Habits Doctor. Today I'm going to try to turn this leftover brown rice into something interesting and hopefully into a dish that is enticing enough that even people who normally do not take brown rice would also enjoy. Okay. I was inspired by the Thai dish Khao Tom, which is quite similar to the Shanghainese dish Pao Fan. It's a very simple dish, but I have never done this before. Today, this is the first time I'm cooking it. It's basically rice, cooked rice, put together with a very rich broth, a soup. Right? It can be any kind of soup, and it can be any kind of broth. Usually, they cook it with a seafood broth or a meat broth. Right? Today, I'm going to do a very simple mushroom vegetables broth. Okay, so this is the leftover brown rice that I just took out from my fridge, and this is shiitake mushroom. I used dried shiitake mushroom and I soak it for a couple of hours, and I kept the liquid from soaking the mushroom to be used in the broth. And this is kelp, yeah, this is kelp to be used for the broth as well. And later on, I'm going to put together with nai pai, and some people call it the dwarf bok choy. And this is carrots, tofu, shimeji mushroom, daikon or white radish, and enoki mushroom. Okay, so let's go, let's explore, let's experiment. Let's see how it goes. Right, let's see how it tastes. Not bad. Right, some fine tuning and good to go. I think it's a promising start. Could do with a little bit stronger flavors. Right, I can always adjust it by adjusting the condiments, adding a little bit more condiments like pepper, or even garnishes, you know, like parsley. Yeah, so go try it. Right, this is a dish using leftover brown rice with very simple vegetable mushroom soup base, right, and turn it into a dish that is inspired by Thai's cow tom, right, and Shanghai's pao fan. Yeah, go try it, explore, have fun.